Hi guys, I'm Manmar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll tell you how to make a thumbnail. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And let's go towards the video. Okay, so I have opened Canva. For this, to make thumbnail, we need two websites. One is Canva and the other is Snapedit. Okay, first we are going to start with Canva. Canva's link is available in the description of the video. Over here, we are going to search for thumbnails. Now I need to find the most attractive thumbnail. Okay, now over here I found this thumbnail which is matching the title of my video. So I'm going to choose this. Customize template. There. Now first I will edit this image. I'll put my own image. So I'll go remove background. I've also made a video on Snapedit, so do watch that before using Snapedit. There. Now you can also download this if you want, but I'll just right click here and copy this image from the website. Over here I've posted here. There. Now I just need to make it a bigger. Now it's a bit bigger. Good addresses. How to design free thumbnails. Now because I'm designing thumbnails on Canva, I will also add a symbol of Canva. Copy image and I'll paste it here. Now I have the logo of Canva. I'll put it. There, I need to make it a bit. Okay, so it's done. Now I'll put the symbol right here. I'll make it a bit bigger. There. Now see, in just 2 to 3 minutes, we have made an attractive thumbnail for our video using Canva and Snapedit. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and thank you so much.